We've had a few cold days here in Okinawa this year, and I've been wondering if maybe, just maybe, it'll snow. And you might be thinking I'm crazy to think that it might snow in Okinawa, a tropical island. But after doing just a little bit of research, it actually snowed in Okinawa just a few years ago. Yeah, I'm looking January 24th, 2016. It actually snowed in Okinawa in Nago. Here's a picture of it. Just kidding, it actually looked more like this. And it stayed on the ground. This is a big deal, I guess, because in the past, they've had, most of the time, it's usually just sleet and ice on the ground, but 2016 was actual snow. And this is pretty rare, but it's not the first time it's happened. According to this, there was also snow February 17th, 1977. Now, I'm not expecting to go snowboarding or skiing or something in Nago this winter, but it would be cool to see some snow in Okinawa, I think. And you know what? It's not too late. Right now is January 17th, and this happened January 24th in 2016, and then in 1977, it happened February 17th. So we're coming up on those days, and I'm wondering if we're gonna have a little cold snap. I've said it in some of my other videos, but this winter in Okinawa, we've had some of the coldest days on record in a long time. Apparently, some of these days, it hasn't been this cold in Okinawa in like 15 years, since 2005. Which is kind of strange because in 2016, they had snow. See, I actually really love the winter. I'm not necessarily into snow, but I love overcast and wind and maybe some rain. And one thing that is not rare in Okinawa is downpours of rain. Even in the summer, the winter, and that just has to do with the, tropical climate. In fact, this winter, of course, it's gonna rain, but it actually rains more in the summertime in Okinawa than it does in the winter. So what do you guys think? Will we see snow this year in Okinawa? And let me know too if you've actually seen the snow in Okinawa. Were you here in 2016 or were you here in 1977? Let me know in the comments below. But I think that'll do it for today. Just a quick short video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.